have 7x minus 7 over x divided by 10x minus 10 over 5x squared. We cannot divide fractions. What I need to do is multiply by the reciprocal, which means I take my first fraction, I leave it, change it to multiplication, and flip the second one. 5x squared over 10x minus 10. So now what I do is what I've been previously doing. I'm going to simplify each one. I look at 7x minus 7. I can pull out a 7. Therefore, I'm left with x minus 1. On the bottom, I still have an x. Can't do anything there. On the top, I have 5x squared. Can't do anything there. On the bottom, I can pull out a 10. If I pull out a 10, I'm left with x minus 1. Now that I've simplified as much as I can start crossing stuff off. X minus 1, x minus 1. I have an x here. I have 2 of them here, so I can get rid of one of them. So I'm just left with 1. A 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 10 2 times. So on top, all I'm left with is 7 and an x. On the bottom, all I'm left with is a 2. So I get 7x over 2 as my answer. Okay, number 2, we have our dividing by fractions. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the first one. We're going to change it to a multiplication and flip the second one. So now we can start our simplifying. So I look at this first top. I can break it up into 2 parentheses. I put an x and an x. My factors of 81 to get a negative 18 is going to be negative 9, negative 9. On the bottom, I can pull out a 3. When I pull out a 3, I'm left with x minus 9. Okay, on top here, I can't do anything with a 24. Okay, on the bottom here, I can pull out an 8. Therefore, I'm left with x minus 9. Now I can start crossing stuff off. X minus 9, x minus 9. X minus 9, x minus 9. Okay, now I could simplify the 24, but I want to show you something. On top, I'm left with 24. On the bottom, I'm left with 3 times 8, which is 24. Okay, so if you didn't see it at the very beginning, we see it at the end. 24 over 24, those cross off. If everything crosses off, we are left with an answer of 1. So don't be tempted to put 0. If everything cancels, you get 1 as your answer.